Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your daily source for premium mobile reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony Xperia 5 IV, a compact flagship that carries Sony's iconic design language and upgrades that make it one of the most refined small-sized premium phones in the market. From the moment you hold the Xperia 5 IV, the combination of a slim profile, flat frame, and lightweight construction gives it a premium yet comfortable feel. Sony continues its tradition with a 21:9 cinematic OLED display, offering a bright 120Hz panel that looks stunning whether you're gaming, watching movies, or simply scrolling through the interface. Colors appear natural, contrast is deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent. Performance-wise, the Xperia 5 IV delivers strong flagship-level power. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels fluid, and the overall UI is extremely stable. Gaming performance is smooth thanks to Sony's optimization and the Snapdragon chipset inside, giving consistent frame rates in titles like PUBG, Kodam, and Genshin Impact. Thermal control is also noticeably improved compared to older Xperia models. One of the biggest highlights of the Xperia 5 IV is its camera system. Sony's real-time IAF, object tracking, and pro-grade color science combine to offer sharp, natural-looking photos with excellent dynamic range. Video performance remains one of the strongest in its category, with Sony's signature color accuracy and outstanding stabilization making it ideal for creators and vloggers on the go. Battery life is another area where the Xperia 5 IV impresses. Thanks to optimization and a power-efficient display, the device easily lasts a full day of use, even with heavy tasks. Fast charging and wireless charging support add more convenience. Overall, the Sony Xperia 5 IV is a compact yet powerful device built for users who prefer a premium, lightweight smartphone without sacrificing performance or camera quality. If you appreciate Sony's unique style and pro-level imaging features, this phone is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching TechUnboxPro. Make sure to subscribe for more premium daily tech content.